Well, good evening, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with Southern Indiana weather. It is 7:37 Eastern Time here on Monday, July the 7th, 2014. Today's video update is sponsored by Metal Magic in Washington. You know, we just had some severe thunderstorms roll through the area. Did you get some hail damage potentially out of those? Give Chad a call, 698-8555 for all of your paintless dent repair needs. They do a fantastic job. They're PDR Nation certified folks there across from the Radio Shack in Washington. Write that number down and give them a call. We've got more potentially on the way. Here's what we've got going on. Rain is moving out of the area. Finally, this is round one. We've had some pretty intense severe thunderstorms roll through down here. Let me pull this out to give you a wider view over here on this, and you can see these severe thunderstorms over the past 4 hours as they've rolled through, and you can see multiple severe thunderstorm warnings on this line as it rolls down. Some 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts definitely to be had with this, along with some small hail at different points in times. Very heavy rainfall, quite a bit of lightning as well. No severe thunderstorm watch with this tonight. I really can't give you a good answer why there wasn't a severe thunderstorm watch. In my opinion, there should have been one tonight, but Storm Prediction Center disagreed, and they're the ones that issue that. So regardless, it is what it is. We've made it through that, and round one is now gone. But as I pull this back out here, we've got our next round of severe weather for tomorrow setting up already out here to our west. Let me take off the local storm reports icons and zoom in here, and you can already see sort of a line starting to focus here, and that will eventually move our way in this direction, and that will push its way during the overnight hours. Time this out for you real quick with the HER model, and you can see highest resolution model we have. You can see there's those storms that rolled through tonight. Watch this storm complex develop over here and sort of off the radar view just a little bit. Moves into the radar view here by about 1 a.m. You can see it's here in the central part of Missouri and very quickly races our way overnight. And you can see how it starts to break up over time. The HER model, the latest it goes at is into 6 a.m. EDT, and it's starting to brush our area. And you do see some multi-cluster cells, individuals here. It was something that we're going to have to watch out. We are under a slight risk for severe weather again tomorrow morning and afternoon. Now, this is not going to be a huge outbreak, I don't believe, but I do think the severe weather parameters will be better tomorrow than they are today. We certainly got more wind energy. The thing that I told you this morning and the past couple of days in my videos is that the wind energy was very limited today. Well, it was enough, even though it was limited, it was enough to produce a good 7 or 8 severe thunderstorm warnings in the area as it rolled through. But we're going to have better wind energy tomorrow. The good thing is this rolls through early in the morning hours. Then we're limited on the amount of instability we have because, well, it's nighttime. We haven't had the daytime heating to heat things up yet. So we've got that part going for us. And the HER model sort of breaks this up a little bit. We'll have to see about that. Now let me take you into the high resolution NAM and give you a bit of a different picture. Here's those storms as they rolled through. Watch this complex. You can see it's not quite as high resolution as the other one, but it gives you the idea. A very heavy complex of rain with potentially some severe thunderstorms embedded into this line. And then watch this. By the time 7 a.m. EDT rolls around, it's sort of knocking on our doorstep, and then it rolls through, and then it's quickly gone. Will it be severe when it gets here or not? Well, time will tell, but we'll be watching early tomorrow morning from about 5 a.m. onward to see what's nearing our area. That would be the best time for this storm complex that's developing out to our west to push into the area. Best guess at this point is it is another iffy situation as to whether it could be severe or not. Best chance of severe weather is really going to be down in Kentucky tomorrow, that as I'll show you here in just a second. That clears out of our area. Here's 2 p.m. EDT, and as you roll through the afternoon, high-res NAM actually does want to develop some more thunderstorms on the backside of the system. I'm not totally convinced that will happen for us. This is something brand new on the high-res NAM. It was not showing this earlier, but those quickly are gone. But you notice how you see thunderstorm development just explosive down in Kentucky, and as I've been showing you in the past couple of days, the better parameters are there for Kentucky. We take you over here, and you see the slight risk for tomorrow actually just barely extends into portions of southern Indiana. Hover over the probabilistic. From the Ohio River southward, you're under a 30% risk, which is an upper end slight risk. Very good severe weather parameters there tomorrow, but it looks like it's a pretty low risk overall for us. So that moves through some explosive development, and then behind that system, skies will finally clear out on on Tuesday night into Wednesday. So if we go to southernindianaweather.com, we'll take a look quickly at your updated forecast. Muggy 72 tonight, mostly cloudy with those scattered showers and thunderstorms continuing overnight. And again, by tomorrow morning early, we've got some more rain that we're going to have to deal with. I'm only forecasting a high of 85 tomorrow. I think the rain will keep our temperature down just a little bit. Cloudy with showers and thunderstorms likely. Again, strong to severe thunderstorms possible, but certainly not a guarantee. We will monitor for it. Skies will clear out a little bit as we turn partly cloudy on Tuesday night, going down to 63 for your low, so a lot cooler. And then the pleasantries begin up to the low 80s on Wednesday. And of course, we will have after that a fairly nice warm up again, where we go back to upper 80s to the low 90s again as you go into the extended outlook. Bottom line, we have the chance for some severe weather tomorrow through this system that's developing out here as it pushes our way. We'll have to watch this and see what it does, but as of right now, again, it's just a very iffy situation. Keep it tuned right here to Southern Indiana Weather for further updates. I'll be up early tomorrow morning tracking these storms as they roll through. And, of course, any warnings that do fire will post automatically here on our Facebook and Twitter feeds. So be sure to log in and stay tuned for that. I'm Meteorologist Michael Wilhite. Have a great night, folks, and we'll see you tomorrow.